Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The weakness of the yen did not prevent losses in Japanese equities. Most equities in Asia-Pacific fell. Stoxx 600 in Europe is now lower than yesterday, regaining yesterday's 0.2% gain and more. The U.S. futures remain firm to steady. The U.S. dollar seems to be consolidating recent gains, but the Japanese yen and the Chinese yuan are still under pressure. The new UK government has not launched any major fiscal initiatives to improve sentiment towards sterling, which is currently the second weakest major currency after the Japanese yen. Gold was $1,690, and it is currently recovering to $1,706 in Europe's morning. After falling to $85, the October WTI fell to a new 6-month low today. Asian Pacific market. Official Japanese expressions of concern over the yen's decline escalated. The finance minister, Suzuki, warned that such rapid movements are not desirable, while Cabinet Secretary Matsuno threatened to take action if the one-sided moves continue. The dollar settled at JPY 140.20 last week and was close to 144.40 during the first part of the session before consolidating. Australia's central bank yesterday announced its fourth consecutive 50 bp increase. It reported that the economy grew by 0.9% in the second quarter, which was consistent with expectations. The Australian dollar was not affected by the RBA's rate increase. Yesterday was a bearish day, and today's follow-through selling pushed the Aussie below $0 and 6,700 cents. Market of Europe. Next week's meeting of the Bank of England is scheduled. The swaps market continues seeing the target rate increase from 1.75% to over 3.5% by the end of the year. Markets are pricing in a 65% chance that 75 bp will be raised at next week's Bank of England meeting. Later today, Governor Bailey and other BOE officials will speak before Parliament. Sterling lost the upside momentum that lifted it to $1 and 1,610 cents, and it fell to session lows yesterday as Europe closed below 1.15. Today's follow-through selling brought it to nearly 114.50. Tomorrow is the ECB's meeting. Swaps market pricing is predicting a 63% chance for a 75 bp increase. The most common trading range for the euro is a quarter-cent range either side $0 and 9,900 cents. Market of America. The U.S. reports its July trade balance. Later in the day, the Fed will release its Beige Book before the September FOMC meeting. Baer, Barkin, Mester, and Brainard are also speaking today. Tomorrow, Powell will speak. Canada will release its July merchandise trade figures in 90 minutes prior to the Bank of Canada's rate determination. Canada is currently experiencing a positive terms of trade shock, as is well known. Offers of around CAD 130-200 continue to be accepted by the US dollar. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.